Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on another immigration program. This program is especially helpful for those people who are struggling to get cutoff score for Federal Express Entry draw. And as per the latest draw that was released on 4th of this month, the cutoff score was around 471, and I've made a video regarding the trends that have been going on this year. If you have not checked it out yet, the link is in the description box below. Please do check it out. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so if you want to get latest updates on Canada immigration and lifestyle. And guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. This video is going to be about Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program for immigrating to Canada in the year 2020. Like always, I have divided this video in three sections. First one is a brief overview, followed by the eligibility criteria to apply into this program, and in the end, step-by-step process on how you can apply into this program. First, let's discuss about a brief overview. Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program is divided into three categories, and out of which, first one is Alberta Opportunity Stream. This has some eligibility requirements. For example, you should be working in Alberta in an eligible occupation. Second one is Alberta Self Employed Farmer Stream. This one allows individuals with farming experience and who have personal funds to purchase and develop a farm in Alberta. And the last one is Alberta Express Entry Stream. In this video, I'll be talking about this stream in particular as most of the people will be applying in this stream. Now let me give you a brief overview of AINP. Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program is a new express entry stream program that allows the province of Alberta to nominate a limited number of eligible candidates from the Government of Canada's express entry pool. AINP does not have its own point system like all the other PNPs. Express entry candidates who are nominated by the province are given 600 additional CRS points and an invitation to apply for permanent residence in a subsequent draw from the express entry candidate pool. So I hope guys this concept is clear, so you don't have to go to any portal to create a AINP profiles. They will themselves pick your profile from express entry pool. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria to apply into this program. The most important criteria is you should have an active express entry profile and you should have minimum CRS score of 300. You must state expression of interest in immigrating to Alberta. And one important thing to note here is that when you create your express entry profile, it asks you for interest in province, where you actually want to move. For this option, I will suggest select all provinces to have a better chance for your profile to be picked up by different provinces. And the last one is you should be working in an occupation that supports Alberta's economic development and diversification. Now let's talk about profiles which will be given more preferences over the others. Please note that this is not selection criteria, it just gives your profile more preference over the others. You should have a valid job offer or work experience from Alberta, or have a post-secondary education from Alberta, have a parent, child, brother or sister who's permanent resident or a citizen living in Alberta. Now some example of profiles which will be given less preference. An express entry profile that expires in 3 months or less. Or you work in an occupation which is on the list of high wage and low wage occupations in the province of Alberta set out on the online Government of Canada refusal to process a labor market impact assessment list. Link for this is given in description box below. Now let's talk about the step-by-step process you need to follow in order to apply into this program. First thing you need to make sure is that you show expression of interest to live in Alberta in your express entry profile. Foreign nationals can only apply into this program if they have received a notification of interest letter from the province. Eligible candidates will be directly contacted by AINP through their express entry profile. Only those candidates who receive an invitation or NOI letter from the AINP are eligible to submit an application for provincial nomination under the Alberta Express Entry stream. After receiving the notification of interest letter from Alberta, you must email a copy of the letter to the AINP along with the Express Entry profile number at albertaexpressentry@gov.ab.ca within the 2 weeks of receiving it in your federal Express Entry profile. The AINP will email the application with instructions after confirming your information, which will also include a document checklist for the documents to be submitted. You need to review the document checklist and complete all the forms. Make sure you complete all the required forms and include all the required documents before submitting. If any documents are missing, your application may be returned or declined. Your application package must be postmarked within 30 days of receiving the email from AINP and should be mailed to the address shown here. If your application package does not require any further documentation from your side, you will receive a notification email within 60 days of the date the AINP receives your application. This will also include your AINP file number. If your application is approved, you will receive a nomination certificate through the IRCC Express Entry portal. You must accept the nomination within 30 days after it is issued through the IRCC Express Entry portal in order to receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence. Another good point is that there is no fees to submit application for AINP like other PNP applications. You will only need to submit the fees for applying for your federal application. Let me show you the previous selection draws under this program. This table here will show you the date, number of notification of intent letters sent to candidates, and the CRS score of the lowest ranked candidate who received a NOI letter. If you scroll further down the table to check the score of the recent draws, you will see the last draw was released on 29th of January 2020, in which 150 NOIs were given and the CRS score was just 300. So guys, these are all the steps that you need to follow in order to apply into this program. And if you have any doubts in any of these steps or the requirements, please let me know in the comment box. I'll get back to you and try and help you out with it. And if you like the video guys, please give it a thumbs up. And that really helps my channel to grow, and do subscribe to my channel as well. And if you like the video, share it with your friends and family. And until we meet next time, bye bye.